Can you tell me a little bit of what Palo Alto Networks does?
Yes, of course. So Palo Alto Networks is the world's largest cybersecurity company. We have a pretty vast portfolio covering everything from network security, which is where we started as a company, made lots of acquisitions in the space, now into cloud security and SOC automation as well. And we've three main parts of the business that cover really every aspect of security for large enterprises.
Great. And I would imagine security concerns have really changed over the past few years with the introduction of cloud native applications. How has that kind of affected the security world?
Everything is much more dynamic and ephemeral. So the cloud native part you touched on, that is really created many more teams, many more moving parts. Instead of the monolithic applications that used to live in on a server in one data center, in one phone closet in your corporate headquarters, we now have one application that will live across multiple data centers, multiple cloud service providers, and an OpenShift container environment that's deployed across the world. So everything is just much more dynamic, faster moving, faster paced. So security has to keep up with that challenge.
What are some of the top security concerns that are kind of affecting customers?
I would say on top of mind is data exfiltration, knowing your estate, and just getting an accurate observability of your entire environment is paramount to even starting and creating a baseline saying what's anomalous about this. You don't really know what's out there until you've done all that reconnaissance work. So having the right tools in place to just do that initial discovery is extremely important. But from there, I mean, as I mentioned, data exfiltration, shadow IT, and that's parts of your organization that just go off and create their own tech environments. That
Who does that, right?
Oh, lots of people do that. And having the right tools in place to prevent those sort of things from happening is quite important, and I think top of mind for a lot of IT executives.
Got it. And you mentioned you work with OpenShift. What do you do with Red Hat in terms of the DevSecOps point of view? What's your relationship with Red Hat?
We do a lot with Red Hat. So we are a strategic partner with Red Hat on OpenShift, Ansible, and RHEL as well. So with OpenShift, we have our Prisma cloud native security platform will secure an OpenShift environment right out of the box. So not only do we offer deploying and installing Prisma Cloud via the OpenShift operator hub, you can install this if you have a pre-existing Prisma installation. You can just configure it to start monitoring your OpenShift cluster today. Very easy install, and we have full observability. Again, creating that baseline, blocking certain actions from happening within an environment, scanning all of the images. We are a Red Hat certified vulnerability scanner, also a Red Hat certified operator in that operator hub, as I mentioned. So we're doing lots with Red Hat to solve our customers' problems.
Excellent. Thank you very much, Tom.
Thank you very much.